नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम अभिषेक चौहान है एंड टुडे विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट लियो. Why is Leo so damn hot? Why is it breaking pre-sales record everywhere for a Tamil film? And why is there general so much curiosity? The kids in my area, जो मेरी सिनेमा के ऑडियंस है, they are messaging me कि ये लगाइए, वो लगाइए, कौन से शो में लगेगी, इतनी इंक्वायरी. So how come Leo has become so damn hot as compared to even before? I mean, Talapati Vijay's previous films also. तो इतनी गर्मी क्यों आ रही है? Why is it so hot? मतलब ऐसा क्या हो गया है कि लोग इतने बावले हो रहे हैं, खास करके तमिल में और उन लैंग्वेजेस में और उनके जो इंटरनेशनल एडवांसेस हैं. सो वील डिस्कस अबाउट दिस इन दिस वीडियो. दोस्तों, like the spy universe of YRF, the cop universe of Rohit Shetty, the Tamil industry has a universe of its own by Lokesh, director Lokesh. He has got it as the LCU, they call it the Lokesh Cinematic Universe. And that is what was conceived out from Vikram. And Vikram के बाद में उन्होंने उस चीज को कंसीव किया. कैथी, विक्रम, रोलेक्स, इन सारी चीज़ों को जोड़ के उन्होंने एक बहुत ही कोहेरेंट प्लॉट लाइन और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक क्राइम वर्ल्ड बनाया है, विच इज प्रीटी मच ऑन द जेनियर लाइन, विच इज ऑन द वैक्ट आउट लाइन. जो अगर आपने विक्रम देखा है तो विक्रम वॉज अ फैंटास्टिक फिल्म. आई लव्ड इट. क्या उसमें कमल हसन है, क्या परफॉर्मेंस था कमल हसन का. उसके बाद में क्या परफॉर्मेंस था आपको विजय सेतुपति का. एंड इन दोज 5 minutes Surya, oh my God, he nailed it. I mean, in that 5 minutes, man, matlab, if there was an Oscar for special appearance, Surya should get it for that. In 5 minutes, he just owned the film, the kind of impact he had. Rolex, sir. I mean, it was just awesome. So the kind of impact Vikram has had, then it expanded into this universe. And Vijay Talapati is probably one of the biggest stars we have in this country today. His film, his own name, he proved how big he is when he opened and he had the confidence to release his film in theaters with 50% gap in the middle of the pandemic. And then it did record numbers. मैं उसी दिन मान गया था कि this man and his draw is something else. He is just phenomenal. तो वहां पे, and that film also was directed by Lokesh. So there is a history, there is a present, and there is a future of all what is happening, and let's put it together. First thing first, Vijay Talapati is a star of the biggest order in this country right now. He can open his films to flying numbers, and that has been proven over a period of time. His previous association with the director Lokesh was absolutely magical in terms of reviving the South industries, the Tamil industries, and giving people the confidence that people are willing to come back to movie theaters. And Master did that in style. Record-breaking numbers किए थे Masters. तो previous association and the star. So director and star combo has worked before, and the star is huge. Now after Vikram, there is a universe. There is Vijay Talapati. Now he's in this universe. So आपको क्या हो रहा है कि आपको एक, the people know that this is probably the origin film of Leo, and Leo will probably be seen more in future films of the LCU, hopefully. And there is a lot of anticipation कि more characters of the LCU might be seen. There might be Kamal Hassan ka voiceover. There might be Rolex also in the movie. So that anticipation of the universe, along with Talapati, the huge superstar, plus the director Lokesh and the previous great association of Master and Lokesh and Talapati Vijay. So the whole thing is just too damn interesting, too damn juicy, too damn tasty for the audience to let go of. And this is what is driving people insane. And wherever there is this audience, and you will see the record sales are happening for any film of previous of this actor तलपति विजय कि उनकी प्रीवियस फिल्मों से ये कमाल का ओपनिंग ले रही है या कमाल के प्री सेल्स आ रहे हैं, वो यही 4-5 फैक्टर्स हैं. मास्टर, the stardom, the huge superstardom of Talapati Vijay, the huge amazing background of Lokesh, the fourth being the cinematic universe. All of this is converging into Leo, making it a damn special film. It is making it a bloody special film. Bloody sweet, as what the trailer called it, as the song called it. And I can assure you, the film is also going to be a treat for fans. The trailer that I have seen, I have absolutely loved. I'm a big Talapati fan. I've seen most of his films. And I'm pretty sure that this film will put up good numbers in Hindi also, despite not having a PVR INOX Cinepolis release in Hindi. So don't be surprised if Hindi also does well. If Jailer managed to do 15 crores without them against Gadar and oh my god with minimal screens, this film has the potential to really break out even further because there is not much competition. The only worthy competition is Tiger's Ganpat, and this has a free run for a very long period of time. So I'm pretty sure that this film also will put up good numbers in the Hindi market. और बाकी तमिल तेलुगु versions तो फोड़ेगा. It will be just record breaking. It will be mayhem, the opening, and I'm pretty sure the word of mouth is also going to be electric. So this is all the reasons that are coming together to make this film so damn special. So yeah, bloody sweet.